Hi everyone, and welcome back to another tutorial. Today, I'll show you how to enable password-based authentication on your AWS Lightsail VPS or EC2 instance. Before starting this video, make sure to subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon to receive notifications for my latest videos. Without wasting any time, let's get into it. Important note before we begin, please only use this method in a controlled environment, as password-based authentication is not as secure as key-based authentication. Make sure to take all necessary security precautions. Let me walk you through the process step by step. First, let's open AWS Lightsail. As you can see, I have an active instance running in Singapore. If you try logging in directly using the IP address on PuTTY or SSH, you'll receive an error, because password-based authentication isn't enabled by default. Here's how to configure it. Step 1, go to AWS Lightsail, and click on the command icon next to your VPS. This will log you into the system. Step 2, for Ubuntu or Debian users, you'll need root access, type sudo bash and press enter. Step 3, navigate to the GitHub link, and scroll down to the Quick Start section, copy the provided command, go back to your VPS console, paste the command, and press enter. Step 4, the system will prompt you to set up password authentication. When asked for the username, enter root. Then, create and confirm your new password. Now you can easily log into your AWS Lightsail, using password-based authentication. Let's verify this using PuTTY or SSH. And there you have it, that's how you configure password-based authentication on AWS Lightsail. Thank you for watching this tutorial. I'll see you in the next video. Take care.